Now another thing you can use is alcohol. You can use diluted rubbing alcohol, but just don't get drunk with it, and cotton swabs, just like this one, to clean the inside and outside of your casey, and then air dry it before putting it back on the phone. So just get the cotton swab, place it into your alcohol, and then just work around all the parts of your casey, just like that. And just make sure you've got it all on the inside. And then do the outside as well. And just get into every single corner you can. I told you, make sure you don't get drunk. There we go. And now you simply just air dry this until it's completely and utterly dry before you put your phone back onto it. Can you see how clean this is? No? Is that because you don't have a casey yet? If that's the case, click below this video on the link and buy yours right away.